So hi everyone, I recently participated in this Zerops challenge and it seems a good particular program, and I think to participate in this. So basically what I built, let me show you, and I should go on this page, click on this. So here my project loads. So basically what I built here is an health monitoring system which built and deployed on Zerops itself. It track real time response and db latencies and flag anomaly automatically. So basically it's in real time. Let me show you the quick demo. Click on the simulate traffic, so it will move like a new traffic which comes right now. In my db you can still monitor everything from here as well, but yeah, we have a dashboard itself. So we have average response time, average error rate, data points tracked, and everything marked here as high and low anomalies, which is potentially marked. Okay, so basically all these are for app. We have a filter here which we can use to check each and every service. For example, app, if we are checking, so app has a different types of latencies and all. If we want to check for db, it can be changed to db and all. So you can see the flag anomaly was db is different and the graph is different, and gcp is different, zcp, sorry. So yeah, and yeah, we have all service latency, and basically filtering to scope for app and db. Okay, now whole this program was built with Flask and postgre, and both deployed and managed by Zerops service deployed it using the Zerops cloud id. So it's an amazing experience. I hope you like the project.